Hey guys, we are here to show you how to make your DTF transfer projects from the Let Freedom Ring craft pack. But for this one, we're doing the Hooray for the red, white, and blue. So lots of cool things on this, and we're gonna show you how to make all of them real quick and easy.
Yes, I am so excited. So let's start with one of my favorite projects, the apron.
Okay, and what image are we putting on the apron?
So we are going to use the Stay and Fly on the 4th of July.
Ah, yeah.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press my apron here, and then we're gonna adjust our pressure a little bit. We need to make sure that we have that just right, because I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick here in a minute.
So the cool thing about these projects, guys, and these prints, they have all been designed to fit the blanks that you're working with. We have measured them, we have worked with the graphic designers and the design team to make sure that they're going to fit the blanks completely the way they should, so you should not have any issues. There is your image. I'm going to go ahead and get the other stuff ready while you do that.
Sweet.
Does that work for you?
All right, guys, so I have my apron pre-pressed. Now, this apron comes with a seam on the pocket here. So I'm gonna take one of our shirts from the craft pack. I have it folded up. We're going to use this like you would a pressing pillow. If you have a pressing pillow on hand, towel, anything like that would work. But if you don't, this is a cool and quick item to use for this project. So we're first gonna adjust our pressure. I'm gonna lay this back down on here.
What other shirt image do you want? I picked the.
Oh yeah, this one's the coolest.
Do you want to do the front pocket or just do the back?
Ooh, let's do the front pocket.
Okay.
And then you pick the other one. I've done that one, but this one's cute too.
I think I'm gonna do this USA one at the top.
Okay. So we have our shirt underneath our apron. We have it right up against the pocket, but we're not going to place it under the pocket. Because that is going to help prevent those seams from giving us any issues. So first we want to check our pressure. So with that shirt or pressing pillow added, it automatically adds extra pressure for you. So let's take it down just a little bit. Perfect.
All right. These are the images we have left over.
Yes, all of those extras, guys. All right, so we're gonna take our Stay and Fly on the 4th of July, and we're gonna take the design and put it right up against that pocket, but not on top. And then I like to feel at the top and the bottom just to make sure it's over where our t-shirt is underneath it, and we're gonna give it a 10-second press.
I really like it on that black apron, that image.
So cool.
So do you know why we picked black aprons?
Why?
Because when you're barbecuing, you get messy.
And
you don't want a white apron.
You don't want a white apron for that.
So it was black.
All right, look, that already started coming off there.
That was perfect, Katie. Look at you.
And then we're just gonna add our parchment paper here. One more press.
If you hand me your other piece down there, I'll throw that in the garbage too for you.
There you go.
I'm here for support. It's just like home. Here, let me have your garbage.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Laundry. I'm not good at any of those.
And we have our cool apron.
Oh, that's so cute.
I love it. Ready to give it to my husband to barbecue
I like
me some
that
stuff.
either a man or a woman could wear.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
All right, we're going Koozies. Oops, I didn't cut out Koozies. What do you want on the Koozies?
Oh.
You want an eagle and a star?
Yeah, let's do one of the eagles and either the star or heart. All right, we're gonna pre-press our Koozies here and make sure that our pressure setting is good for these.
There you go.
Thank y'all.
I'm so sorry, I forgot about those, friend.
It's okay. So many cool things in this pack, it's hard to overlook.
Yeah, I was like, oh my gosh.
All right, so let's take our little star and our eagle here. And I think I really like the eagle on the gray and our star on the black. And one thing I like to do, guys, for Koozies is you'll notice that the neoprene kind of shapes and warps as it gets heated and under the pressure. So taking something like parchment paper, butcher paper to kind of weigh it down just a little bit really helps.
Big tip with neoprene. They get super hot in the heat press.
They do, so be very careful, but those peel right off. We're gonna do another quick little press after.
5 to 10 seconds. You don't have to even do it for the full 10 seconds. You're just, you know, making sure that everything is adhered correctly. You don't want to overheat them.
Correct.
Look at that.
Little eagle.
Perfect.
And our little star.
Awesome. Love it.
Right.
All right, we're gonna do some shirts next. You want me to give it a try?
Sure.
All right. So I have a navy shirt and a white shirt. What are we doing here, Kate?
So I really, really like this eagle design for that navy.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just crease this down the middle since we're gonna do that pocket design.
Yes.
And we're all gonna say positive vibes for me that I can get this on here right. All right, and is the pressure good for this, Kate, or do I need to adjust it?
You might need to adjust it a little bit. We had to loosen it a little bit to make room for the added padding for the other items.
Okay.
So you might need to tighten it up a little bit.
I'll have to wait until I open it back up.
Have to wait.
Wow. All right, tighten up just a little bit. So I'm just gonna verify my pressure. Oh, that should be good.
Oh yeah.
All right, so now I'm gonna work with my pocket square area first. And Katie was telling me her cool little tip about 3 inches from the collar and 3 inches over, correct?
Yes.
And so you did this thing that was like your finger.
Mm-hmm. You take roughly 3 inches.
Is that 3 inches? Mm-hmm. Okay, 3 inches.
And then you put your first finger at the bottom of the collar right in the middle.
Okay.
And then you keep your thumb where it is and you just
pivot.
Spin.
Mm-hmm. And that's where it goes in the middle?
Yes.
Okay, so like I'm going like right here?
Mm-hmm.
Like that?
Yep, looks good to me.
Okay, guys. Oh, look.
Already came off.
Just came right off, guys. Didn't even have to peel that one. Look at that. Oh, he's so cute.
I love him.
I love him. I did pretty good on that one. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right. So then
we have our freedom tour.
Yep. And we're going to leave the collar off just a little bit and probably an additional inch just to make sure that we're not getting it too close to the top. How's that sound to you, Kate?
Sounds good to me.
All right. Now we're gonna
like it right between the shoulder blades.
Yep. Thinking about right there. Mm-hmm. How's that look to you? I'm short so you can see over me.
Yeah.
All right. And then we're just gonna press it. 10 seconds, 310 degrees, and then we are going to have a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Look how quick that was. All right. And it's already starting to peel up. Did you see that?
Easy peasy.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
That's so cool.
All right, I'm gonna do my final little press over top of it. If you notice, I did not do an additional press on the front one. I flipped it over and it got another press.
It did.
Because I pressed it again from the back. Mm-hmm. I know that your vibe's a little different. You cover it up and do it again.
I like to do the cover, but either way works.
Yep, so, all right. Look at that. Whoa. I mean, this looks like something you would buy at a concert.
Literally, like it is so cool. Like everybody's gonna be like, what concert did you go to?
Like where did you get that? I need that. These are cool.
Very, very cool.
All right, so we got one more shirt to do.
One more.
We're gonna do it on white. I'm gonna lay it down. Oh, I'm gonna do my seam again. I just feel better when I do the seam because I have a tendency to lay my stuff down crooked.
Oh, the seam really helps. Beverly actually showed me the seam trick
Bev taught me too.
Yeah.
I love the things that we teach each other. Plus it makes me do my pre-press.
That's true.
If not, I forget to do
I have a habit, yeah, I have a bad habit of not remembering my pre-press.
Because like I'm like, oh, I've pre-pressed it, I put the seam in, and now I'm good to go. I can just lay my transfer down. Because in my head, I'm like, I'm doing it to center.
Yeah.
I don't know. We all have our little quirks about us when we make things. All right.
There we go, that's perfect.
Look at that seam. All right, and then we are going to put it where the collar is laying right off of the platen there. You can just barely see it. And we'll lay this lovely down right here. And this is one of those really cool images that it seems like it's not a problem if it's not perfectly straight.
Exactly, like it has this like wavy retro effect. It's kind of a little bit off kilter there. So.
Which I love working with those.
Yeah.
They're right up my alley.
Makes it a little bit easier.
Yes. All right, and it is almost done already. We've got like 4 seconds left.
Oh my God.
And it's already peeling up because our heat and our pressure are perfect on our heat press right now.
Love to see it.
And then we're gonna lay it back down. Give it its last little press here for 5 to 10 seconds. And we're gonna pop it open. And because it's a little warm in here with this heat press on and we're done, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this baby off.
All right.
Alrighty, so we have all of our projects complete. We have 2 t-shirts,
front and back and one front.
We have our apron.
And our 2 can coolers.
Oops, look, I can't find the top. And our apron.
All right, and then tons of leftovers, guys.
So there's lots that you can make your own projects with on your own and post in the group and share with us. So we've made all the projects for the Hooray for the red, white, and blue.
Yeah, I love each and every one of them, and I cannot wait to see what you guys do.